If I were to give another cancer kid advice, I would tell them to not be scared and just take it one day at a time. My name is Campbell, but my friends call me Soup.
Hearing that your child has cancer is terrifying. It's hard to describe in words what that feels like, but once we got to the Children's Hospital of Richmond at VCU and realized how quickly they were equipped to deal with it, how much of a plan they had, you started to feel, okay, we can get through this. Campbell's been a remarkable example for us on how to really show grace in adversity.
She went through so many rounds of chemo and so many spinal taps and anesthetic episodes, and she seemed to just deal with it. It was just, that was her job. And for us, it was so scary, but for her, she just kept putting one foot in front of the other and just kept going.
When I hear cancer, I think of shots and needles, but I also think of the great nurses at the hospital and everything they do to take care of you.
If someone had told me at the beginning of her cancer journey that she would look back on the past 3 years and say they were good memories, I would have thought they were crazy. But I think that speaks volumes about what CHORE does for children, that they let kids fighting cancer be kids. And to her, going to CHORE is fun. And I think that's, as a parent, I'm so thankful for that.
Campbell finished her treatment in April of this year, so she's been out of treatment for approximately 2 months. Our lives have changed a lot now that treatment has finished. We're actually able to do more things, actually plan some things as a family. So life is now a little bit closer to normal.
Now that treatment is over, I can do a lot of more stuff. I'm back full-time dance, back full-time softball, and I can do a whole bunch of other stuff that I never really got to do when I was in treatment.
She is quite a character, and she has been through all of this. She keeps us pretty well grounded. She is so larger than life sometimes.
Like, you know, she's the best. She makes you laugh every day.
My favorite things to do are play with my brother, play with my dog, dance, do arts and crafts, do the monkey bars. I love the batting cage because there's no pressure of the pitcher looking at you and the crowd looking at you, and it's just you and that ball coming towards you.
My biggest hope for her would be that she keeps living her life the way she did through all of this, and just finding joy, even when circumstances make that hard to find.
My hope for Campbell's future would be that she could take this journey that she's been through and be an example, a shining light for others, to show that cancer, yes, it's terrible and it's awful, but you can thrive, you can survive, and you can be defined by more than just cancer.
My biggest dream for my future is probably to become a nurse, just to give back to what I've had done to me. I want to help people, be that nice nurse and just soothe them, but I also want to be a pop star, but who knows, maybe I'll do both.